Hi everyone. So my income for August has been, I've actually made 1.8% this month, which is the first time since March that I've made a profit. Now, I've been away quite a lot this month, so maybe that's a factor. It's been something that's helping me to stop over trading. But the trades I made one, two, three, four, five, six, seven trades. Um, Two of them are profitable, two of them break evens, three of them are losses. So yeah, so I'm quite happy with that. Um, if we look at the ones that I've been profitable on, so USD Poland opened on the 18th of August. I'm up 2.1% on it at the moment, and I've actually still got this open, so I'm going to carry it over to next month. So why did I buy it? Now, if we look on the weekly chart, it was at a support point on an upward channel. Also, the Polish economy is in trouble, and the US economy is the best of a bad lot. So that's basically why I bought it at that point. If we look at it, how it looked on the 4 hour, I pushed it at this point with a stop below the support level. So that was on the 18th. If we look at actually what happened, this is the daily chart. There's the 18th. So since I bought it, it's bounced off that support and it's there. It's recently had a couple of highs. On Friday, the US jobs report wasn't as good as expected, so it's come down a bit. Now I've got a target just at the top of this, just at that point there. I want out basically because I'm expecting the US dollar to start falling now because of Friday's job report, and hence why they think there won't be an interest rate hike in the US until December at the earliest now. So it actually might fall, and I've got my stop um, just below this resistance point here. I should probably actually put it below the 200 EMA, but I'm fairly happy with that. So that's my Polish trade. So it's based on kind of fundamentals, but at the moment fundamentals seem to be so wishy-washy because sentiment seems to be ruling the roost on so often an occasion. So so even though this was partly fundamentals, this is also a big part due to technicals, i.e. bouncing off a resistance point. And then if we look at the other trade that I made money on, so I made 1% on Euro Japanese yen, bought that on the 24th of August. So why did I buy it? So I was long the euro against Japanese yen because Japanese economy is shrinking. Recent figures for the euro have been okay, and also the technical reason I'm at a support point. If we look at what's happening on the 4 hour, there's this upward range and it's right at the bottom. Here it is on, that's still a 4 hour, but shrunk down. So there's this support, and that's why I bought it. So if we look, so I bought that on the 24th. So if we look at what happened for that, Euro, Japanese yen. Here, let's go to daily. So here's that support. Where's the 24th, 20th, 24th? 24th is that bar there. And then it went up from there. So it's a good trade. Where did I set my target? I set my target at 113.75. Why did I set my target at 113.75? See, my admin still isn't brilliant. I'm not recording why I set my target 113.75. I set it at the top of this range. See, it had been going sideways. So I set it at the top of this range. So if I set a more aggressive target, I'd made more money. But hey, I made some money. So especially in this climate where sentiment changes from one day to another, or even one few hour period to another. So I'm happy with that. So coming into September, where the holiday season has finished, so there'll be more volume in the markets, and I've got to try to be a lot more consistent. take positions that I'm more confident in. I'm going to carry on putting um, more emphasis on technicals rather than fundamentals, but I'll still be using fundamentals. And yeah, I'm going to really try harder to be more consistent.